Hey everyone, welcome back to Techo World. Today I have come with poster design. Let's have a preview. Okay, fine, now let's dive into the Photoshop. Let's create new file. I will select this customized file. Its width is 1000 and height is 1374 pixels. Background color, I will keep here white. That's it. Now I will drag and drop the image into a Photoshop. By holding this point, I will increase its scale and place it properly. I will rename this file name. Just double-click on this text, then rename it. Click on this Create Fill Color or Adjustment Layer icon, then here select the brightness and contrast. Then increase some brightness and contrast. Then again click on this icon and now I will select the color balance. Slightly I will change it color according my choice. Now go to this text icon and select the vertical text tool. Type the text as your choice. My font is Brexter Demo. This is the free font. You can download it from the internet. It's a regular size. You can bold it by clicking on this bold icon, and also you can keep it caps as well. Tracking between the character, I have kept it to -260. Hold this point and increase its size. This is the tracking between the character. See here, if you change its value, text is also change it track. Well, I will keep it to -260. In case if this character tool does not appear, then go to Window. From here you can select the character. Now duplicate this image by pressing Ctrl J, then place it over this text. Also duplicate this text as well and place it over this image layer. Now we need to clipping mask, for which we have to hold the Alt in between these two layers, then right-click on your mouse. Now you can see here it has changed to clipping mask. Now off these both the layers. Select this image layer and mask it. Select this mask layer and go to Rectangle Marquee tool. With this I will select this part. Now we need to fill this with the color. For that we need to select this background color icon. In this select the black color. After that hold the Control and press the backspace. Now you can see the changes on it. Once it done, deselect it or press Ctrl D to deselect it. Now I will on these both the layers. Double click on this text layer. In this blending option opacity make it to 0. Then click on this stroke. Position let it be outside and size set it to 5 pixel. Fill type you can change it accordingly your selection, but I will go with the white color. We have done with this design. Finally now we will add some text and shapes. Click on this text icon. Here I will select the horizontal text. Go to character tool. In this tracking character I will make it to 0. And font select your prefer one. Change the text alignment and size so that it gives better look. If you select this point, you will get the rotation option. Just rotate it to 90 degrees. Then fit it in a proper position. Now create one more text. Let's off this caps and align it properly. Now go to this ellipse icon and by holding Shift key, create the shape. In Fill, I will select the white color. Stroke, I will off this. Duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl J and resize its size and place it somewhere. Finally, we have done with our poster design. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in next video with some interesting. Until have a nice day.